How to add money to PayPal with credit card. For this, go ahead and open your PayPal application or PayPal web. So right here, once you are logged in, you have to go ahead and select the tab of Send and Request, which is at the very top in the dashboard. Once you tap on Send and Request, select the tab of Request. Then go ahead and enter the amount of money that you want to be added in your account. Then tap on Request a Payment. Once you tap on Request a Payment, it will take you to a new web page where you have to enter your email address. Now what you want to do is you want to enter your own email address or a secondary email address. Once you do that, tap on Next. Then go ahead and open your email, that is the one that you have selected. Now go ahead and send a money by using your credit card. Once you do this, you'll be able to add money to your PayPal using your very own credit card. Isn't it a great hack to use? So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.